Happy Easter.
Pick a shoe out the shroom, that's how the day be. Whoa, got way more kicks than a pregnant lady. Hey, yeah, started off with the son, the trade master. He's stealing trays like he the hat slinging slasher.
YouTube, what is good? Generational Hype Beast is back at you with yet another video, man. And first and foremost, let me say Happy Easter to everybody out there in YouTube land, man.
Shout out to the gang.
Shout out to the gang. Hey, y'all let me know in the comments if y'all can hear him. Because I know y'all can hear me. But can you hear him? That's the question.
You don't gotta hear me.
What did you just say? Bend down, mother.
Yes, honey?
How dare you sully my good name by spreading your slanderous filth?
Happy Easter to everyone, man. And I want to send a super duper special shout out to Jose and his wife.
Boom, bam, bop, bada bop, boom, pow.
My bad, Jose, but I can see that that's in the works. So,
And his girlfriend Emily.
Jose and his girlfriend Emily, man, they came through, kicked it with us today, kicked it with family, man. We had all of the youngins. I don't know how many Easter eggs we had out there.
About 50.
Like 50, 60
cash in them
eggs,
already.
and it was like 6 kids. So, kids had a great time, man. The family was great. We ate very good. And we're here to bring these shoes to you thanks to Jose, man. He pulled up and he was like, yo, I got these. I never got my hands on these. They released last week, so I wanted to bring them to y'all, man. So,
Which one you want to do first?
let's do these. Let's do these. I don't even know which ones these are, but if you remember from our Mezcla video, Mezcla, yeah. From our Mezcla video, man, these are same part of that on-air
These are the Londons.
collection. And these are the London guys, man, the London 97s. And I'm going to let Austin tell y'all a little bit more about it because I didn't do my research.
Okay, so these are made by Jasmine Lasode. So she chose a London.
Shout out Jasmine.
She chose a London staple of the Air Max 97 based on her design of London's romantic summers, including a first date with her new girlfriend on the city picturette of Primrose Hill. And she said that the colors and details are all personal to our first date. There's a sunset, the drinks we bought at the corner shop, the price tags. Overall, the shoe is just about love and good vibes. And she seems like a dope person, so she's pleased we want to be one of the 6 winners who actually got to create the shoe. So, I mean, why not?
I'm going to be honest with y'all, man. Out of the collection, I mean, I like the Mezclas the best, but I'll take that back, man. The Shanghai joints is blazing hot, but of course I couldn't get my hands on those, and I don't know that I'm willing to pay $600 for them, so probably won't be getting those guys, man. But to be able to grab these, man, I might just grab this shoe, man. This looks like a crazy summer shoe, something that can definitely be rocked all summer. What you think? She likes them.
I like the neon in it. I don't know. It's just like the orange and that green pop.
Yeah, definitely on top, man.
That's that summer feel color.
That's that heat coming through, and definitely in the air bubble at the bottom, the air bubble unit. I like the way that the colors bounce through on that. Yeah, these joints is
Bright.
glamming up in the lights, but
It's gonna be hard to see.
that's these guys, man. We're gonna try to keep this video a little short. I know the last one was very long.
Cause you like to talk.
Hey,
Anything for the views, man.
so these are the London guys, man. I believe they're still available, man.
No, they're still there.
$200, man. They're available on Sneakers app right now, man. So run out and grab you a pair.
I might have to grab you a pair then.
Yeah, I mean,
Do you want to read this one or you want me to?
you know I can't read, man.
Alright. So, these were made by Guang Shin. These are the soles. So, the story behind this is Shin chose the Air Max 97 with the oversized swoosh based on his design of Seoul's big neon designs, the contrasting colors of South Korean flag, and the flag's central, can't say that word, symbol, which represents the universal balance there. And he said that there are neon signs lit up to 24/7 in Seoul. The upper is mostly black, like nighttime in the city when the neon shines the brightest. So I like those. It's like people say it looks like Colgate though.
Shout out to Monkey. If you remember back in the day, that flashing Lights.
Oh, hell no. Hey, if y'all want to go do karaoke, let me know. I'm always down to sing.
Yeah, our karaoke days, man. We used to do flashing lights like every day, every
That,
week,
Poison, Ordinary People, Green Light.
Yeah, but this shoes is all right, man. It's something about this shoe that is throwing me off. I think it's the all black bottom half of the upper, man. I think it needed to break up the color somewhere between that check and down here. Like even if it was just this little section right here, throw a little bit of color in there, and this and this.
Or if you would have put the sole of it like orange or something like that.
Something, man. It needs a little something for me. I mean, I'm not mad at it.
What I love about it is just the big swoosh. I think that throws it like a whole different curveball on it, to be honest though.
Yeah.
Even though it does look like a Colgate.
Like I get it. I get the design behind it, and like I say, I'm not mad at it, but it's just a little different. We didn't even go into the
sugar,
into the soles, the insole on this guy. Man.
Wait, is it? What's your shoe? I'm not gonna take it out low key.
Yeah, nah, I'm not gonna take this one out either. But this one, these are not our shoes, so we don't want to degrade them in any way. But you can see it's got something going on inside of there. I don't know what.
It's almost like Tron.
Yeah, Tron like. There you go. Nice one, kid. Yeah, I mean. But this one is definitely not for me, man. I have seen these on feet. Unfortunately, we won't be doing on foot with either one of these, but
Even though I could, shout out to Jose, make wear my size.
yeah, that's on that one. This is 11 and a half.
This is?
Yeah, big boy status.
Dang.
I can rock that guy.
All right.
It's not for me, man. I've seen them on feet, and like I say, man, the all black on the bottom is just throwing me off. Maybe if it was cold in wintertime and black joggers coming all the way down to it, it might be different. Yeah, that guy. But hey, these I don't think are available, but they are available on StockX for a decent price, man. So if you do rock with them, man,
Get you the Colgate.
let me know in the comments if you do, man. And
Get the Colgate 2.0.
yeah, run out and grab those guys.
And shout out to Jose, man. Brought us the pop, Michael Jordan. He said he had an extra one, so he just gave it to us. So
Last but not least, appreciate that, man. It's so hard for me to call him Jose because we started calling him Espino. Like
that's his Instagram name.
that's his Instagram name. So he low key gonna always be Espino to us. So.
Nah, bro, you the homie. That's respect though. That's love, because I mean we've never experienced something like this where someone just out of just social media comes and just tries to be like so down to earth, and it really is.
Not try to be, yeah.
Like, it really is. Like,
Just pull up and turn into family. So
I mean, we've got fake love before, but you actually were love. So, all right, chill. Enough of that lovey stuff. Shout out to the gang. Shout out to my boy Jigga. I know he's been going through a lot, but you know the Celtics is on top. Had to get the sweep.
Pop's got love for you. So that is it, man. So happy to bring 3 forks. How many? It was 4 of them, right? The only ones that we've missed out of the collection is the Shanghais. So happy to bring those to you, man. Hopefully you dig these. If you do, drop a like. Yeah.
Get out the screen. God damn.
But that is it, man. Once again, shout out to the homie. Happy Easter to everybody. And what else you got?
Love your moms. Love your dad.
Your moms and your dads. Yeah, I mean
Plural.
all your dads, because some of y'all
Almost
got
fell.
multiple dads.
Almost fell. You know, I see that.
But that is it, man. Dad, son, Cams.